#1 best-selling author of Body Language Secrets to Win More Negotiations, Mr. Greg Williams.
I was 17 years old. I had worked for the last 2 summers, and I was working a part-time job after high school. Mama! 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 Here it is, here it is. Here's what? My car. Here's my car, here's my car. Look, Mama, here's my car. Honey, that car costs $2,000 more than you have. Oh, Mama, that's okay. Please, Mama, take me to the dealer. Please take me to the dealer, Mama. Mother, please take me to the dealer. So off to the dealer we go. We're sitting down talking to the salesperson, and my mother says, "We've come in for this car." And she points to it in the newspaper. Well, he pulls out papers from his bottom drawer, slides them over to her, and says, "Sign on the dotted line." Now, my mother is a smart negotiator. She taught me a lot from the time I was 4 about how to negotiate better. Yeah, she was good. So she said, "This number is wrong." He said, well, ma'am, that's the same price as it's listed in the paper. My mother said, "But we're about $2,000 shy. We're that close." The dealer looked at her and said, "Well, you can't buy the car." She said, "Well, I know you can take a little bit off of that price, right? Because we're so close." "Well, I guess I can take $500 off." "Can you do 1,000? "Well, ma'am, you got to meet me somewhere." "Where would you like me to meet you?" Now, don't go there. My mama was a good woman, okay? So she said to him, "I tell you what." And Mama reached into her bosom. And I thought to myself, now, Mama, you told me about this negotiation strategy called shock and awe, but I know you're not getting ready to do what I think you're going to do, Mama. Please, Mama, don't do that, Mama. You're going to embarrass both of us up in here. And she told the salesman, "Hold out your hand." Well, shock had occurred with him because his eyes got wide as a saucer. "I beg your pardon?" "Hold out your hand." You could see the anticipation on his face. Mama then said, as she pulled out 5 $100 bills, and into his hand she said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "Now, can you please get the key for my son's car?" Well, sure enough, that dealer must have been in some type of trance because he just went walking away. And I thought to myself, "You go, Mama, and whatever that was. But I was ecstatic. Here's the point. By being able to negotiate better, by understanding what tactics and strategies you can use in the appropriate situation, by being able to read body language, gain inside clues into the thought process that someone is undergoing, you, all of you can become much better negotiators. And I'll tell you, when the generations follow you, they'll look back at you and think, like I think from time to time, I'm glad I had a mother that taught me how to negotiate better. Thank you, Mama. I love you. Thank you.